Hi everyone, my name is Noah and today I will be walking you through this presentation and explaining the benefits of EdgeLake software. EdgeLake software is a data management platform that creates a unified, real-time virtual data lake for the edge. With EdgeLake, real-time applications are possible. EdgeLake software is out of the box and can be easily deployed on edge nodes. These nodes can be small like a switch or a Raspberry Pi or large servers. Edge devices stream data to the local EdgeLake nodes, where data is unified and stored locally with 100% automation. EdgeLake nodes form a virtual data lake that services a unified collection of data. With this approach, data remains in place, but applications operate as if the data is centralized. By keeping data at the edge, applications extract real-time insight from the data. All of that using standard and open APIs and without a single line of code. This map shows real EdgeLake nodes deployed around the world. The animation shows examples of 3 sensors generating data that is streamed to the local EdgeLake nodes for storage. A user expert runs an application that sends a query to a local EdgeLake node. This node satisfies the query by requesting the data from the relevant edge nodes and returning a complete reply to the application for analysis. Deploying EdgeLake at the edge delivers a complete data management cycle for AI. At step 1, the data is generated at each edge node and captured and hosted locally at the local EdgeLake instance. At step 2, edge data is serviced to the model generation process without centralizing the data. At step 3, the model is created and deployed by publishing it on a blockchain platform and pulling the model by the EdgeLake instances on the node that execute the models. At step 4, the local EdgeLake instances service the data to the model execution process. As the model is executed at the edges, new data is generated and the process is repeated from step 1 using the new generated data. In this next example, you will issue a query to the edge and receive a complete result as if the distributed data is hosted in a centralized database. Again, sensors data is streamed to the distributed EdgeLake nodes. This QR code is a SQL query, which is used to query data from a centralized database. With EdgeLake, the query will be satisfied from the distributed edge. If you place your cell phone's camera on the QR code, you will issue a query to the edge and you should see the query result on your cell phone. Note that if you scroll to the bottom of the report you received, you will see in the summary section that the result was satisfied from multiple nodes at the edge. EdgeLake's out-of-the-box software is easily deployed on edge nodes. On each node, EdgeLake provides local data services. Once EdgeLake is deployed, edge data is managed with 100% automation and without any dependency on the cloud. EdgeLake transforms the edge into a unified data lake where you retain ownership of your data. EdgeLake makes real-time applications possible, making edge data available anywhere, anytime, and without a single line of code. This concludes our presentation for today. If you are interested or have any other questions, please email info@AnyLog.co. Thank you.